Today at Blade Ops, we are checking out the Boker Kwaiken Air in Titanium. Looks like Boker has taken another page out of the Slim Profile book and brought it to one of their greatest flippers they've ever made, with the Burnley design of the Kwaiken. One of my personal favorite models that they've slimmed down, cut down the weight to only 3.4 ounces. That is crazy. I love the titanium scales, kind of a distressed look. Nice deep carry pocket clip, of course. Has the same length as the standard Kwaiken, but of course, slimmed down drastically. VG10 steel, nice good mid-range steel. Just all around, really nice knife. Gotta love the Kwaikens. So make sure to get your new Boker Kwaiken Air today at Blade Ops.